Meat, pork, beef contains many important nutrients, including protein, iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and other B vitamins such as niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine. It helps prevent and treat iron deficiency anemia. As an excellent source of protein, meat helps build and repair muscles and cells in the body. Protein also helps create a feeling of fullness, fight infection, transport nutrients and oxygen throughout the body, maintain fluid balance in the body, and clot blood. Vitamin B12 in meat helps create DNA, keeping blood and nerve cells healthy. Zinc helps keep the immune system strong, aids in wound healing, and helps the body thrive during key stages of life. What should you consider when eating meat? Several studies have linked high meat consumption to conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Experts recommend limiting meat consumption to no more than 3 times per week. Studies suggest replacing meat with foods rich in plant proteins such as nuts, beans, and soybeans may reduce the associated risk. Replacing pork, beef, and processed meat with other protein sources such as milk and eggs also reduces the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Ms. Julia Zumpano, nutritionist of the Department of Preventive Cardiology at Cleveland Clinic, USA, emphasized, choose only lean meat, avoid fatty meat and processed meat, and avoid fried meat. People at risk of heart failure or stroke, including those with high cholesterol, high blood pressure, or a family history of cardiovascular disease or diabetes, should consume as little pork or beef as possible. She advises eating a variety of protein sources, including fish and seafood, poultry, egg/egg whites, beans, and nuts. Need to combine with lots of colorful fruits and vegetables to prevent disease, according to Cleveland Clinic. Some people with kidney disease may need to moderate their protein intake to prevent further kidney damage. People with gout may also need to limit their intake of beef due to its high purine content. The American Heart Association suggests that, in general, replacing pork and beef, especially processed meat, with plant protein is a healthier way to eat and is better for overall health. Expert Zumpano suggests, start by gradually reducing the number of meals containing meat. This is a great way to ease into going meat-free.